Have you ever struggled to find the right slide for your presentation, unsure of its location or whether it's the most up-to-date version? Repeating this for every slide can be frustrating, time-consuming, and distracting from your presentation. But it doesn't have to be this way. That's where the Slide Chooser comes in, your central hub for accessing all slides your organization uses for any presentation. With the Slide Chooser add-in for PowerPoint, users can seamlessly connect to their organization's slide libraries using single sign-on with their Microsoft 365 account. Once signed in, they can easily browse and insert a wide range of slides, from company overviews and market share reports to standardized management slides and any other slides your organization has created. Inserting slides is as simple as clicking on the one you need, and it will automatically be placed where your cursor was last positioned. Users can also mark favorite slides for quick access and take advantage of a powerful search function to find specific slides by name, metadata, or even the slide content itself. The Slide Chooser allows users to insert individual slides or entire slide sets with the option to preview slides in a separate PowerPoint presentation before inserting them. For larger organizations, multiple libraries can be created, giving users access to slides from various departments. If you want your team to consistently use the latest branded slides for every presentation, ensuring brand consistency and supporting better business outcomes, the Slide Chooser is the app you need.